Welcome to Talk of the Town. We're at MiraSol Health. We're celebrating volunteerism. Actually, the end of the month is National Volunteer Week with the coordinator of volunteers here at MiraSol, Candace Camp. Candace, welcome.
Thank you.
So I understand that this organization was actually started by volunteers. Tell us a little about the history.
Yeah, we're a grassroots foundation. 8 volunteers off of Hilton saw the need of individuals having dignity and compassionate care at their end of life. And they actually started us about 40 years ago. And we are so grateful that they had that vision because that's the foundation that we continue on a daily basis.
It's a beautiful thing, yes. So the impact that you make on families is huge. How do you support, how do the volunteers support families?
The volunteers support the families by bringing community into the homes wherever they are at. They do companionship, so they might sit with a person, they might read, they might sing, they might watch TV, bake cookies, whatever the person does during that time. Our volunteers help in the office with administrative duties. They take care of pets at the home that might need help as the caregivers or dealing with taking care of their loved ones. So we have a number of different opportunities.
And can you give us like a story, perhaps, of the impact that maybe one of the volunteers has made that you can just share with us?
Yeah, we had, more recently, we had a individual that went out of her home and the son went to go visit and realized that he could not be with his mom at the end of life. So he asked for our team not to leave her on her own. So we called our vigil volunteers in and they rounded up very quickly and were with her during the whole time of the last breath of her life. And then proceeded to reconnect with the son and say, you know, here we are. And she had a good journey of at the end of the life with somebody and not being by herself.
Right. And as I said, you've been here over a year. So why do you do what you do? Tell us a little bit about your background, Candace.
Well, I've been in nonprofits for a long time and serving the community and giving, and I get enough out of what the volunteers do of just giving of their hearts and of their expertise to be able to assign them and have them help with all the patients and the families that we serve.
So if someone wants to be a volunteer, is there like certain criteria, or how do you prepare volunteers for the job actually?
They come to us. Or we chat with them about what they're interested in and how would they like to give back to the community. I do a background check, application, references, and then we also do volunteer training. And then once they come on board as part of our team, we do ongoing training with them.
So how many volunteers do you have here at MiraSol?
There's about 130 volunteers.
So you couldn't do it without
Could not. They give of their hearts, they give of their time, they give of their expertise, and they're part of our team. And we really couldn't be serving our patients and our families without them.
So the end of the month is a National Volunteer Week, but you've already celebrated. You all have a wonderful celebration.
We did. We did a carnival. Okay. And with all of the booths, the carnival booths, popcorn, and a dunk tank, and a food truck, and they were able to come out, enjoy, celebrate them, and our team was there to appreciate them and value them and know how much we could, how much we appreciate them.
And thank them. Very good. And thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Candace Camp with MiraSol Health, coordinator of volunteers.